Kutanagi Dimitri Getty Sokpa.
Show it all the time, but deep down inside, like, I slap shit out of all y'all.
You tell us what to do, and we'll get it done.
Oh, shit! Alright!
I fucking can, bitch! This how the fuck I talk! If you got a problem with it, bitch, we can fight! Bitch, when I see you, it's all sight, bitch! I'ma beat your ass, bitch, cause I can talk however the fuck I wanna talk, bitch!
With the old and with the new.
I'ma put her in a dungeon under. No, them bitches ain't eating it, dying of hunger. Who the fuck am I, me? Who the fuck is this hoe?
Your best friend a big thought? Does she think she's hot or not? Does she wear a fake tan just to make out with your man? Does she chase on it?
Did he tell you about that?
What? I'm making a TikTok right now. Can you you just talk.
You've been struck by a smooth.
If you want to go hang out with your friends, nigga, go. Have the time of your life. Just don't have too much fun.
Papa loves mambo.
Take this sweet ride for a spin to really tear through the course. Just try not to crash it.
Ryan, look out!
Now.
So, I'm going to talk about Jesus.
Hallelujah!
That's loud.
Okay, sorry.
Do it nicely.
Oh, yes. Hallelujah.
That's a great idea. I'm with that.
On our show called Explain That Gram, where we do a deep dive on our guest Instagram.
Oh, shit! Alright!
I am half Latina. I didn't ask to be born Latina. No mas chiva suerte.
I like big boys, itty bitty boys, Mississippi boys, inner city boys. I like the pretty boys with the bow tie. Get your nails did, let it blow dry.
That is what brings me to today's new video.
El Paso tonight, but today she abruptly canceled that concert. Still, some fans didn't get the memo. KFOX 14 News at 9's Keenan Willard joins us now live from South Central El Paso with how fans are dealing with their disappointment tonight. Well, throughout the evening, Cardi B fans who rolled up here to the El Paso County Coliseum went from feeling with anticipation to feeling with disappointment as their plans fell through before their very eyes.
Every time. Why does this type of stuff always have to happen to me?
You make God get off a tough week. So they go on to cigarette to angry. Back inside. I get your window.
This pussy just like you should. My lips, my back, lick my pussy and my crack.
That type of shit is not funny.
This is a safety demonstration. Listen up. There's an exit in the front, there's an exit on the side, oxygen up top if the plane takes a dive. Floaty things are available if drowning is inevitable. Hear the ding ding, better be in your seat. I'm your flight attendant, no I'm not a mirage, just here at your service, I'm Nicki Minaj.
Bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart cause they're not gay.
Look at these bumps. You got eczema?
I got what?
The eczema?
What are you doing in there, smoking that gas?
No.
Get out of the car.
No. No.
Get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
I didn't do nothing.
You're going to jail, smoking that gas.
It's Belela Throne. Wait, how you reading it?
Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs.
Dave, I didn't know you were a cop.
Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Dunked on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. They coming off the bench, while I'm coming off the court fully drenched.
I know exactly what I want and who I want to be. I know exactly why I walk and talk like a machine. I know becoming my own self-fulfilled prophecy. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh.
Thank you in advance. I don't wanna dance. I don't need your hands all over me. If I wanna win.
Yo, shout out to see.
Yeah, hello, 911?
Really? You're probably high right now and you think it's fucking funny.
And
I saw what you did and I'm telling the teacher on you. Yeah. Can I go to the bathroom?
You know you're a good mom when you sacrifice your vibrator batteries for your kid's toy. Hashtag mom win.
Ladies, I want to see you back it up, back it up.
Zach, you have 11 fingers. Hold your hands out and I'll show you how. Both of them. 1-8, 2-8, 3-8, 4-8, 5-8, 6-8, 7-8, 9-8, 10-8, 11-8.
What? How did you do that?
Baby, look.
No! Babe! Come on, what I tell you about those filters?
Like, y'all still hating. It's about to be summertime and y'all still hating. Like, do I give a fuck? No, not one. How many fucks do I give? 0. Exactly. So therefore your comment is irrelevant.
Your heart is like a condom. Once you break it, you have a lifetime of pain.
That's not my property. You didn't win shit in my yard.
Wait.
All of you.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
All right. Whoa! What the hell?
Hi, rapist. Rapist.
Hi sisters, James Charles here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hip-hop dancers, stretch for class.
Oh, the fuck? This is one of motherfucking play. This house was way too boring. It was time for me to shake things up. Bitch, you was talking shit about me?
What are you talking about? I was just
and
reading
you was touching my shit? Okay, bitch, let's play. Let's play. I'm about to touch your shit.
Touch it if you want to. Touch it if you want to. Touch it if you want to.
Oh, that bitch wanted to cause a scene?
I'll make a movie.
Let's play, bitch.
Bitch, put my shit the fuck down, bitch. Bitch, give me my shit.
No, bitch. Stop. You going home, man.
You know, Elmo, I think we could dispatch you to the Middle East. Maybe you could solve some problems there.
Really?
Alexa, intruder alert.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed.
Girl, he only fucked you over cause he let him. Fuck him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever do.
Bitch! Bitch!
Elliot, hush! You had too much to drink. You gotta settle it down. Stop! Bitch, stop! Kick your ass! Stop!
Didn't I do it for you? Why don't I do it for you? Why won't you do it for me?
Bitch! Motherfucker, right, this is World War VI. This right here might make a bitch die, and this right here gon' make a bitch cry. And if you're being honest, I am such a great guy. Oh, this is what I do when a bitch breaks off. I'ma put her in a dungeon under. No, the bitches ain't eating a diner hunger.